cobblestone fence. Yeah, fence. Where does one go to make fence? What is this? That is not where you go to make fence. It is not either. Oh, I can make a bed. I'll make that right now. Oh, here it is. I'll make 30 because why not? Right there. Nice. And then quick move. Oh no, quick move. Quick move. Quick move. Dang it, Josie, you still haven't come back here and fix my freaking thing.
I thought you were gonna fix it.
Freaking see you up there
I
trying to
know.
fix your stuff.
I thought you had enough like wood though. Planks to
No.
like put two more. Come on, bro. It's just too.
Josie,
I'll
come
throw you
back
some from up
here
here.
and fix my knife. And then, is either of them water hitting under? Oh, they're not. It's not a very efficient way. Stay. No! Chicken. Oh, he's still following me. Alright.
Hey Josie, both y'all have, y'all can come to my house and come down to my mine. Just don't get lost.
Alright.
I don't know where to start the farm. Such tough decisions. No, I'll do it 4 blocks right here. Come here, little chicken. Come over here. I just want to feed you, you little chicken.
Joe,
Come
little
here,
talking
come here, little chicken. All I do is want to feed you, little chicken. Alright, I'm gonna trap you. Yeah, it's trapped.
Savage.
You're Smeagol, dude. You are so Smeagol right now.
Come
Smeagol,
here,
okay,
little
Smeagol.
chicken. Done. What is hitting?
Bitch. And me.
Piggy, come over here. Like, Jesus, get off my farm. You're gonna stamp all my crops. Yeah, I'm just gonna end up killing this pig. I didn't know they can do that. Oh, Scuttleton. Hey, do you believe in aliens? This is very important. I do. You're legit real.
What was the question?
Do you believe in aliens?
I'm pretty sure they exist.
Yeah,
Universe is too big for us to be alone.
exactly. Nice. Text, you get me some plate. No. How does one make bone meal?
Uh,
Food
there's a certain thing that it's under. You have to go find it.
mechanisms. No. Transport. Decorations. Oh, there it is.
What's it under? Because I don't know.
Decorations, and then die.
Gotcha.
Pump, 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 pump. Yeah, pump, pump, pump. Nice. Plant, 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 plant. What? Good head start.
Oh, that's why I heard that. There's a fucking zombie following me.
Pant. Oh, such evenness. Nice. Except for this one.
I'm at Y130 right now.
Why?
Hmm.
Oh, what are you doing? Alright. Oh, you're still in the air. I see you. Yeah, this does look pretty cool. It looks pretty and gnarly, dude.
No.
Gnarly, dude. I
Where
can
the
make
fuck do these
bread.
zombies keep coming from?
I like trains. I like trains. I
I
like...
found a spawner. I found a spawner.
What? Nice. I call hacks.
Does everybody have a bed?
I do.
It's already nighttime though.
Yeah. But everybody needs to be sleeping.
Yes, I found the spawner, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, to skip to dawn, all players need to sleep in the bed at the same time.
Dude, I found a saddle.
What? No freaking way. Dang,
2
takes.
saddles. And an enchantment book.
Oh,
Oh.
you can give me that saddle, eh?
Yeah, I'll give you one.
Eh. Just need to find horses now.
Dude, I can't believe I found a fucking... Oh, that's neat.
Pretty gnarly, dude. Pretty gnarbuckle.
Wait, can they hear me?
So what?
I said, can they hear me?
They? You mean
The
streams?
subscribers. Yes.
Yeah, they can. Or if you say, if the thing is on, what's it called, shared voice.
Okay, so we're all good.
Yeah.
Ay. Fucking yay, dude.
Yay.
I just need to remember where this is. I really do.
So I got pickaxe next to pickaxe. Keep the
I'm gonna take a picture of this Y and X coordinate.
screenshot. Okay, food, weapons,
Yeah, dude, because this is awesome. I
torches.
can't believe I have a fucking spawner. Oh, if we destroy the spawner, does it go away? Or
Yeah.
are we able to pick it up?
I think it does go away. I'm not sure. Damn it. Damn it.
I'm not sure. Wait, here real quick and look it up.
Is there like a central point to my room? No. Drop the base. Drop the base.
Drop the base.
Wow.
Drop the base.
Full stack of torches. Prepared to go into the abyss.
Oh my god, I can't see anything because of this cloud, bro. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna leave the bow, cause I don't want to break it. See if I can find more arrows too. I don't want this, I'll get rid of it. Something like this. Useless.
Okay, so now I just have to remember where it's at. Can't pick it up.
In the map. Good thinking. Nice. Alright. I'm going back underground, lads.
I'm lost.
I'm lost. No. Come on.
Yeah,
Underground.
never mind. I found my way back. Ooh, that is a long way down. Holy shit. Remind me not to go down there.
No gravel. I hate gravel. Ooh. Discovered something.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to my ladder and go down to white 12, and that's what I'll explore.
Oh, fudge. What the heck am I? What is this place? The map has it. Why 28? I still need to go deeper. Yeah. My nose. Bang, bang, bang. 24. Alright, so 24, 23, 22, 21, 21, 20. I found lapis lazuli. Pretty sure you could only mine with this. Yeah.
Holy.
Experience off the charts. Bam, 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 bam. Is it 12 here on... Oh, God. Okay, well. Found lava. Block that up. Ain't having it.
Alright, I'm almost to white 12. I'm getting I died.
No. Oh. That's her. No text.
I dropped right into a fucking lava. I had zero hope. I found a witch, found a witch, found a witch. I have 0 weapons.
No.
Ah!
Dang.
She hit me. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
I'm
No.
underground, bro. I don't think I can help.
Ah,
Dang,
you stupid
text.
bitch. Quit.
Once I'm done down here, I'll give you some of my stuffs. Yeah, cause there's lava like literally right below me too. I almost fell, and
Wow, you bitch. I'm gonna kill you again.
okay, I'm going. I'll go help. Oh wait, what the fuck? There's a bunch of lava here.
I have the
Ooh.
worst fucking luck, dude. Shit.
You're doing so good. And the game was like, nah, fam. We ain't gonna let him go as far.
Bro.
Savage Minecraft. Oh, there's so much to explore. Please tell me this leads into something. Butter. No.
Alright, bitch, where'd you go? You wanna fuck with me? Come back here. Where'd you go? There you are, you stupid bitch. Yeah.
Get him, text. Get him.
Tea bag. Tea bag. Tea bag. Tea
Ooh,
bag.
redstone.
I swear if she kills me
There's more
from the
redstone.
grave.
More butter.
Well, it was nice knowing you.
No. God dang it, text.
Oh, dude, half a heart. Half a heart.
Dang. Fighting against that zombie though.
Oh, God.
Zombie. Whatever the fudge it was. Wait, there you go.